Hey, what's up? This is what it's like. This is what it's like, y'all. This is what it's like. You know, we go on in like 12 seconds.
My anus hurts.
Let's get it.
I bet.
My anus hurts. We got a good intro coming up for you.
Josh, you want a little? Coming at you. All right, let's do the next guitar.
I hate being late. I hate being late.
Can you edit yourself? Okay.
Is playing Barry saxophone awesome or what?
It's basically, I would compare it to giving birth to a small mammal, perhaps like a porcupine.
Boogal,
He just loves the opportunity to play that thing.
Everybody need horns. Drummer, coming to you. Keep playing that horn, please.
Secret meetings. Oh.
Are they good?
Mancha's in it.
I got you, drummer. Drummer, you have enough? More? Coming at you. We're good? Okay, let's do the next trumpet.
Hey Ryan, what's the next song we're gonna play?
Oh, that's nice. That's a, is that a
Who
Lorenzo
charted that?
favorite?
Who charted that?
Magnificent.
Oh, sorry. We good over there? Okay, drummer, you need some of that? Thank you, Scott. Thank you. Next trumpet, please.
Thank you, everybody. Okay.